Hey everyone, welcome back to Cook with V. Today we're gonna make chicken schnitzel. Crispy and golden brown on the outside, juicy and flavorful inside. For ingredients, we have our chicken breast, all-purpose flour, we have our breadcrumbs. Any type of breadcrumbs would work, and this one I have is Italian style. Salt, pepper, some lemon, and an egg. So the first step here, we're going to slice the chicken breast into half lengthwise. You want it to angle your knife parallel to the surface and go slow and cut across the chicken breast. Our second step here is to take a piece of saran wrap, or you can use parchment paper if you want as well. And you want it to start tenderizing the meat. Start pounding the meat. Here's the final thickness that you want, about 1/4 of an inch thickness. So here's one of our chicken breast pieces. I've seasoned that with salt and pepper. And you want to season it before so that you can control the amount of salt that there will be. So now we're gonna prep our breading ingredients. So I have 1 cup of flour here. It's better to use less flour, and if you need more, you can always add more. And then 1 egg here, I've beaten it up, and 1 cup of breadcrumbs here. So before I start breading, I'm gonna start to heat up my cast iron pan, and I have some oil in there because I want the chicken cutlet to go directly in there after the breading is complete. Okay, we're gonna start breading and putting our chicken into the flour first. Make sure that every piece, every side of the chicken is covered in flour, like this, and you wanna shake it off. Okay, and then we're gonna dunk it in our egg next. Similarly, just wanna make sure every part of the chicken is covered. And then lastly, we're gonna dump it in our breadcrumbs. Make sure all the parts are covered. Both sides. Shake the excess. And we're gonna drop it directly into a cast iron pan. So you want to have it on medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes each side. So it's been about 2 minutes now. Let's take a look. That's what you're looking for, sort of a golden brown color on both sides. I'm gonna wait for another 2 to 3 minutes for this side. Once you finish the other side for 2 minutes, it's ready. I'm serving that with potato and a side salad and a wedge of lemon. Amazing. Yummy. Crispy brown on the outside, juicy and flavorful inside. Please like and subscribe, and when you make this, share it with the ones you love.